Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So, access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye! To master a new language and understand everything as soon as you hear it, to read with just a quick glance and speak smoothly without thinking, you need to review. Here are our top 5 review tactics. Number 1, listen to examples over and over again. By listening closely and often, you start to pick up the rhythm of a language, as well as correct pronunciation from a native speaker. Use our line-by-line feature that lets you both listen and read along. Use this tool to practice as much as possible. Number 2, use our voice recording tool to master perfect pronunciation. Record yourself and compare it against the native speaker. If you sound different, then repeat after the native speaker until you're able to match them. Use our voice recording feature, which makes recording super easy. Number 3. Master your recorded conversations. Record conversations and go over them again and again. Master entire conversations and repeat them line by line. Use any of the dialogues available for download on our website. These come with transcripts of the entire conversation. Number 4. Use mobile devices to reinforce previously learned conversations. Constant review is the best way to progress in your language studies. Download the recorded dialogue to your mobile device and incorporate it into your music playlist. Quick reviews throughout the day effectively reinforce what you've learned. Number 5. Read with line-by-line notes. Read along with a native speaker to really master pronunciation and natural intonation. You should start slow at first, then slowly increase your speed. Your pronunciation will become more natural. You will also see that your ability to understand fluent speakers will greatly increase. You'll be able to improve your communication skills using these 5 simple review techniques. Increase your understanding of your target language. And remember, if you're interested in getting all these review tools, sign up for your free lifetime account. No credit card required, and you'll get the best free online resources. And start reviewing more every day.
Xin chào, tôi là Giang. Hi everybody, I'm Giang. Welcome to VietnamesePod101.com's 3 phút học tiếng Việt, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Vietnamese. In the last lesson, we learned how to use the verb là, to be, and có, to have in the negative form. In this lesson, we will learn about Vietnamese adjectives and how to use them properly. We'll look at 2 basic rules. Here's the first rule. The adjective is added right after the subject it describes. You don't need to put anything in between them. For example, tôi mệt, literally, I tired. This is how we say I'm tired. Quyển sách này hay, literally, book this good. This is how we say this book is good. Cô ấy xinh, literally, she beautiful, and this means she is beautiful. So, first, say the subject of the sentence, then follow it with the adjective. The same applies to all kinds of subjects, singular or plural, an object or a person. Much easier than English, right? Now, the second rule is how to combine a noun and an adjective in a noun phrase. This is the opposite of English. The adjective comes after the noun. The structure is một plus singular noun plus adjective. Những plus plural noun plus adjective. Let's look at some examples. Cô ấy là một bác sĩ giỏi. She is a good doctor. Cô ấy means she. Là is the verb to be. Một means one or a in this case. Bác sĩ means doctor. And giỏi means good. The whole sentence again is cô ấy là một bác sĩ giỏi. Here's another example with a plural noun. Đây là những bài toán khó. These are difficult math exercises. They means this or here. Là is the verb to be. Những is an article indicating more than one. Bài toán means math exercise. And khó means difficult. Again, the whole sentence. Đây là những bài toán khó. Here are a few more examples of noun phrases. Những ngôi chùa cổ kính, ancient pagodas. Một nhà hàng nổi tiếng, a famous restaurant. Những chú chó đáng yêu, cute dogs. Một thương nhân thành đạt, a successful businessman. Một sinh viên chăm chỉ, a hardworking student. Are you getting more confident about using adjectives in Vietnamese now? Now, it's time for Giang's insights. If you want to emphasize an adjective in Vietnamese, you can add some adverbs. Take the adjective đẹp, which means beautiful. We can emphasize it by saying rất đẹp, meaning very beautiful, or đẹp lắm, meaning very much beautiful, or đẹp thật, meaning really beautiful. In this lesson, we learned how to properly use adjectives in Vietnamese. In the next lesson, we'll learn the basic uses of the verb đi, which is to go. I'll be waiting for you in the next 3 phút học tiếng Việt lesson. Tạm biệt!